I promise I did not record 2 videos in one day. Just change shirts. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my page, did I say that right? If this is your first time, thumbs up, well, subscribe, thumbs up, and hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe, thumbs up, and click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. There you go. Okay, all right, you said it right. If you are a return subscriber, hey, how are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. So with that being said, on commence. Do banda. Let's go. Let's get started with this video. First of all, if you guys hear noise in the back, there's people downstairs. I live with family, so I apologize for that. Okay? Okay? Alright. I was sent this product by a company called Sam's Beauty. If you guys are new to my page, I've been doing a lot of collaboration with Sam's Beauty. They sell a whole bunch of wigs. They sell bundles. They sell crochets. They sell basically everything from makeup. They sell everything. So if you guys are curious to know what videos I've done with Sam's Beauty, I will leave the link down there in my description box, so you will be able to click on those videos. Yeah, Sam's Beauty sent me a couple items. Along with that item, which was a wig, they sent me a black castor oil, black castor oil hair growth oil, basically. That's what it says. And it's actually virgin black castor oil. Black castor growth oil. Yes, that's what it is. They sent me this, and I told them before I use it, I was going to give it a couple months and then do a review on it, because I am cutting my, well, I was going to cut my hair, which I did, and I was going to use this when my hair was completely gone, just to see if this works for me. So this review is very honest. I'm an honest gal. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion, and I hope you guys like it. And yeah. One thing I did notice about this castor oil was you can use it for your hair, your lashes, your eyebrows, and your nails. I'm gonna say this: do not use this on your lashes, because I don't know if I applied it wrong, but just one little swoop on your eyelashes, that mug will burn. I did see the result that my hair was growing when I was using this, and I can't say that it didn't work, because it did, but there's pros and cons when you use a product. One thing I didn't like about this product was, it's not that I didn't like it, it's the fact that my scalp didn't like it. I like the product, but my scalp, my hair has its mind of its own. So there are days where when I use a product that I'm like, oh, it's gonna work, you know, so-and-so said this will work, I watched a YouTube tutorial on it, it's gonna work, my hair is just like hers. And then when I put it on my hair is like, huh, you thought you thought it was gonna work. You got the receipt because you thought it was gonna work. So with this product, that's what happened with me. That's what happened with my head. My hair wasn't feeling it, and I know my scalp. I know what my hair likes and what it doesn't like. My scalp started to itch, okay? I know there are some people who may say that's probably because your hair is just short. I had that same problem, blah, blah, blah. But with mine, I know how my hair is. I study my hair. I know me, okay? I know my hair. I know what my hair likes and what it doesn't like. With this product, my hair was growing, but my scalp was getting irritated. Like, I would constantly itch a lot. I did do a product, what was it? I did do a DIY at-home protein treatment using this. Usually my at-home protein treatment, I use coconut oil, but this time around I wanted to just use this by itself. So I did use this, and then throughout the weeks I found out that my scalp was very sensitive. So if you watched my protein treatment and you saw that I added this, and you went ahead and you bought this, I think it might work for you, but for me it didn't work. But you live, you learn, you know. That's what happened with me. I lived and I learned. Yeah. Long story short, would I recommend this product? Yes, I would. I would just say you just have to try it out for yourself. I can't say what worked, what didn't work for me, what not work for you. Everyone's hair is different, and you can't really speak for everyone when it comes to certain product that doesn't work for you. Yes, I would recommend this to help your hair out. I did hear some good stuff about black castor oil. This was actually my first time using black castor oil. So with me, I was kind of excited when I got it. Like, yeah, we about to grow hair out. We about to be, you know, yeah. I know there's some females that don't act like this, but I do. It did grow my hair out, but my scalp was just like, listen, I need you to stop. Okay, I need you to stop. Just stop it. I need you to stop. You know? So I stopped using it. But I do use this for my sister's hair. Her scalp loves it. Her scalp is in love with this. Mine doesn't like it. But I would recommend this product for you to try, because it does grow your hair out. Me personally, I'm recommending it to you, but I'm just saying it just didn't work out for me. So, you know, I'm just looking out for you at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So, yeah, if you like this review and you like me, you like my personality, damn, looking at that. If you like me, you like my personality, please thumbs up this video, subscribe, join the family, add me on my social media, and yeah, press the notification bell so you be notified every time I post a video. I feel like I was talking too fast. Take your time. Prends ton temps pour parler. Yeah, this is all I had to say about this castor oil. If I was to rate it from a scale from 1 to 10, I would definitely give it a 7. If my scalp wasn't irritated, I would definitely give it a 9. But the fact that my scalp was irritated, I would give it a 7. Yeah, if you like it, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. And I'm out of here. Yeah! Bye, guys.